at 248,800 naira for Naija. I know say the dollar rate decrease, but this phone na solid from Itel. Hey my people, how una dey? E be like say Itel don decide say they wan burst our brain this time o. Omo, wetin dey play for here na the Itel S25 Ultra we wan yarn about today. I know say you get plenty ogbonge questions wey you wan ask, like how Itel go take charge 249,800 naira for phone. I hope say the phone no go still land. Why the phone look like Samsung so? I hope so the phone worth the hype and the price. Relax, I go answer all the questions wey dey your mind. So sit down, grab one cold sobo, make we enter the matter correct. You dey play? Welcome to Tech Bobo HQ, where we dey knack correct gist about tech wey sabi. Today na about Itel S25 Ultra. Yes, dem talk say this phone strong like Iroko 3. E fit survive 25,000 drops. Chai, oya make we enter the correct gist as e dey hot. You dey feel am? I dey feel am for here. First of all, the design go make you fall in love straight up, no time. Chai, e be like say Itel dey chop better akara because this phone fine no be small. See as dem add silver rings around the camera lenses. Omo, na class. Plus e get RGB light for the back wey dey shine when you dey charge, dey play game or get notification. E come in 3 mad colors: bromo black, meteor titanium, and this one wey I dey hold for my hand, Komodo ocean, wey get this sweet pearl blue shade. Wallahi, e sweet die. And the slimness na 6.9mm ultra body wey weigh 163 grams. This phone no fit even stand by itself because how slim e be. Dem sef sabi add better finishing. The side button dey smooth, the Type-C charging port dey intact. For the hybrid SIM tray, na double nano SIM or one SIM plus SD card. Wetin be hybrid if no be this one? My people, e no end there o. This phone get IP64 water and dust resistant. Yes, you fit drop am inside water. So all my hustle ninjas, no fear, this phone ready for the street struggle. Who no like better screen? I dey ask, make I show you. E get 6.78 inch 120Hz refresh rate and na 3D curved AMOLED display and 1400 nit peak brightness join. Abeg, wetin you see dey fine. The screen even sabi wet and touch. No wahala. If you dey chop egusi with correct strong eba and you wan operate your phone, no shaking at all. You go fit press your phone. Wait, make I yarn you something. This phone get cunning Gorilla Glass 7 protector and 100-day screen protection service in case e break. Wow, Itel dey do wonder. Na punch hole display too. So if you dey watch Netflix or YouTube, the quality go dey clear like fresh palm wine. This phone dey run on Android 14 with Unisoc T620 processor. The software na better upgrade. No be wetin go dey hang anyhow. Another ogbonge thing about this phone be say e get 2 years Android update. E mean say you go fit upgrade to the latest Android version. Oh omo, abeg help me find better 2x2 plank make we knack am for Itel head. Make their head swell small because they deserve am. Abeg Itel, take your flowers. Plus e get special features wey go blow your mind. Infrared remote control, if you control your TV or AC, AI wallpaper generator, so you no need to download wallpaper again. Features like memory fusion, smart panel, dynamic bar, and kids mode go just sweet your belle. If you dey ask whether e go hang, omo, forget that matter. Itel don step up the game. No lag, no yawa. Performance. My own version na 16GB RAM with 256GB storage. Na steady performance all day. This phone go fit manage all the light games with better speed, but e get some kind game wey this phone no fit handle. But Itel no design this phone for games, so no wahala at all. You fit multitask, watch videos or browse without stress. At 249,800, some people go shout, why so expensive? But make you talk true, e worth the price. Phones wey no even get the same features dey cost pass this one. Camera lovers, gather here, I get some gist for you about this phone. The main camera na 50MP and the selfie na 32MP. The super night mode na improvement, but I no go lie you, I expect better upgrade because say Itel S24 get better camera pass Itel S25 Ultra. Wetin you think about that? Make we manage am. Make we talk about video. Hi guys, my name is Susu Visuals and welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you've not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you inside. Bye! Well, it dey shoot 1080p and 720p at 30 frames per second. No 4K sha. But wait, you fit shoot on 2K. E not bad at all. Na Itel na, small, they go improve. Upgrade to the latest level. My people, wait, make we talk true. The camera quality not bad, but I just feel like say the color no really dey coloring. But make we no lie, it's still a good buy. Battery na still the same 5000 mAh from the Itel S24, but it dey perform well. It go last you full day on better usage, and the 18-watt fast charging go give you full charge in about 2 hours 16 minutes. No fear or no battery wahala. At 248,800 naira for Naija, I know say the dollar rate decrease. But this phone na solid from Itel. If you dey use the Itel S24, it go make sense to upgrade because of the better design and the display. But if na camera you dey focus on, if you know what am at all. This phone dey compete with other phones wey dey market currently, like the Xiaomi Note 13 series. Dem dey the same category. But if na affordable with classy na im you want, I go recommend this phone for you. Itel don show say dem sabi innovation. So my people, na here I go end the tori for today. Abi this phone worth the hype? Drop your comments below, like this video, subscribe. Na your guy Tech Bobo dey sign out. Till the next time, peace.